stop sign right now, so my house is that way. So as soon as he gives me a call and lets me know that he's around here or close by, I'll get back with y'all. See y'all later. All right, guys. So the homie just pulled up right now. So here's a view of his engine. I think he might change the air filter.
Y'all saw his project car, so I just wanted to introduce mine. It's a 2000 Eclipse. It's a GT. My plan for it is to be able to boost this car. I'll be running at least like 400, horsepower, But I mean, the little upgrade I did right now is just changing the cold air intake. That's basically all what I've done right now. I haven't done nothing much, but like you said, I'm gonna change this for now because the filter that it has on right now, it's pretty crap. I don't like it, and I mean, it's really not that hard to change. So I mean, that's basically what I'm gonna do right now to be able to change it to a different one. You just gotta find the bolt for it, bolt kit for it. So I mean, real quick, let's just change this out. Because I really don't like this one. So I mean, I had to try to modify it, and in doing so, I basically cut it off. It's garbage.
There you go, guys.
And I mean, this is not like a professional one, but I mean, it's way better than what I was running. So and so look at that quality stuff. I mean, it ain't no K&N filter or anything, but I mean, it's better than what I already had. So, but I mean, the filter is red, and like I said, it's a Spectre Performance. It says it's a high flow filter engineered for outstanding airflow and filtration. And it says it gives me 700 horsepower, so I'm not gonna need to put a turbo on this car. No, I'm just playing. But I mean, what can I say? I mean, it's a good air filter. I wanted to get a K&N, but they didn't have one. So, but I mean, this will do for the time being. Like I said, this is gonna be my project car. You're gonna be seeing this in the video.
Yeah. So today we're actually gonna be working on the 86 today. As y'all see, already got the jack ready and everything. Got my little, box right here that I tear it apart. So I went and picked up the oil. Straight from Subaru. That's what I use for W20. Synthetic, not full synthetic. Don't get confused, guys. Yeah. Y'all can see, I used about 6 quarts, but I used to put 5. But then I ended up reading on the forums that it's 6, just so the oil can last a little longer. Alright, guys, so I got some racks, not those blue ones, that y'all see. Yes, we do. Clean up the oil right here. Y'all see all the oil right there? All the black stuff. Brand new one. Here you go, guys.
You're gonna have to end up putting, basically a new filter. So always put, it don't have to be like a whole bunch. But put oil. It don't matter if it's old, new oil, as long as the oil O-ring is, lubricated. It don't have to be all crazy or anything, but as long as it's nice and covered, completely, so it could actually, seal. And don't worry, guys, it's not gonna leak. I mean, it's not gonna drip no oil or anything.
See that?
It's just, it's to prevent the O-ring to actually bust or tear. So I mean, basically, it just has to be like that. You see a little glaze. You don't have to be all crazy about it. So once you've done that, then you could install your oil filter. You could be done installing the oil filter, and then put your oil. You gotta remember always, cover stuff. Make sure no dirt or debris goes inside your engine.
Yep.
You don't want to be blowing up your engine just because a piece of rock went in there.
Yep.
So always be cautious. Make sure everything's clean and ready to go. Like, what we're doing right now. He's trying to make a Haggard, a funnel. We don't have stuff like that. Well, I mean, I have it at my house, but he doesn't have it all here. So, but yeah, like I said, next video is probably going to be, being able to clean this engine bay, making it look nice, making it look, you know, sexy. This guy has, you know, the cambered life. You'll probably see it in that back tire. It looks a little straight, but once you know, lower it down, it has that camber life. And I told him to change that up, but he likes it, so can't really say nothing about it. But I mean, like I said, this is the FRS in all its glory, man. It's a beast of a car. Not gonna lie, I like it. It's awesome. Look at that. Nah, but yeah, guys, just, you know,
get the oil.
Nice Haggery.
No.
Make sure.
Almost 2 quarts. You know, as y'all see, most of the oils should have this. How many liters and quarts it has, as y'all see.
The oil is draining.
It is?
Yeah.
It is?
No, I'm just playing, bro.
Oh my God.
Got him! Dude. Got him! Got him! Look at that. Nothing's dripping. Got him! Damn, that was a good one. Woo! He got all quick. He got scared all quick. Look at him.
Oh, dude, I was
got him.
Man.
Yeah, sorry.
I'm gonna reuse that old one. It's about to turn.
Let's see where it's at, guys.
A little more, man.
A little more.
Dude, you freaking scared me.
It's alright, man. I had to scare him, guys. Don't worry about it. I had to scare him. So, this is his prized possession, guys. His FRS. He loves this car. This is his baby. So,
you know, just finish it off right now. So, remember, you don't want to see any dirt inside there. So, close it in. Good.
woo!
Started good.
Look at this. Just hear this engine purr. Listen to that.
Man, should I lower the car down already? Yeah. Remember, guys.
Always do it slowly. Don't just slam your car all the way down.
Make sure if there's anything on the bottom.
Yeah. Clear all your tools. You know, clear, you know, the bottom of the car. Make sure there's nothing under that, you know, might get destroyed or destroy the bottom of the car, the transmission, poke or anything. So, and remember, always bring down your jack slowly so you can preserve the life of your jack. And not only that, don't mess with, you know, your suspension, okay? Just a quick tip. It's a quick beginner's tip. You know, something pretty much everybody knows. So, remember, look at that. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Look at that.
Man, I'm surprised that jack freaking fit in here.
Yep. Check out the fitment, guys. This guy's riding the low life, bros. Look at him, look at him, look at him. Look at that. Look at the fitment, guys. Damn. Not even a finger fits in there. Woo! Look at that fitment.
Yeah. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for today's video. We're supposed to install the quick release for the bumper for the RSX over there, as y'all can see. But I think next video we'll probably be doing that, and as well maybe showing a fog light on Tommy's car. So
in the GST, y'all ain't gonna see that GST for, you know, for quite a while. I mean, it runs and everything. It's a good car. It's just right now he's putting it off because he wants to fix up the Type S. And I mean, this is his daily car. So I mean, y'all probably be seeing more of the FRS and the Type S over there. You know, and like he said, maybe in the next video we'll probably put those the bumper pins over there, the holders, and then we'll end up installing, you know, basically the fog lights on my car because I want fog lights. And also I'll probably end up getting HIDs on my car. So
what about the headlights? Maybe?
no, the headlights I'll probably just clean up the headlights because it's all peeling.
Yeah.
If you see, so I'll probably just clean that up. And like I said, guys, I'll polish up the intake manifold. You know, probably, you know, paint that the shield, and then paint the valve cover and everything else, and give it a nice clean too on my engine, because you know, this is his dream. This is what he was wanted to do. And you know, he came to me and you know, to my brother, and I was like, you know what, bro, I'll do it with you, you know. So we're here together, 2 bros, nothing gay.
3 bros.
3 bros
you know,
actually in there, you know.
We're gonna hopefully try
Yeah.
to make the group grow, you know.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna be running this Houston 86 Club banner no more. So I'll be running my own banners now.
Yeah.
As long as with the clips over here, GSC, all this thing.
Yeah, we'll end up, you know, getting a banner, you know, matching banner, each and every one of us, and then, you know, later on we'll probably get, you know, some merch, but I mean, that's way down the line. I mean, for now it's just, you know, all the basic, you know, things that we could do. So, you know.
Alright guys, so I think I'm gonna end the video here. So yeah, bear with me, you know. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, you know, and I'll see y'all next